Okay guys, so tonight's house was pretty good, but this next house is going to be insane. Kit, show everyone the files. Female, 5'4", age 19, works at the supermarket. I'm talking mini fridges in almost every room and 2 fridges in the garage. This place is jackpot, guys. She gets discounts on everything. BOGO for life.
So we're hitting up this place. Time to bring out the big guns.
Maybe not those?
It means it's more like equipment for robbing.
Oh, so we talking bombs?
Whoa, no!
I was just talking about bigger duffel bags.
Well, I mean, that's kind of boring, I think.
What are we gonna do, Almond? Bomb the fridge?
Whoa, yeah, that'd be so sick.
Yeah, we could sneak in. The next thing you know, kaboom! Explosion.
Hello?
What?
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do.
We raid fridges.
Good, now there's a lot to get to. You have to make this quick or someone will catch you.
Hello? 911? I think someone's breaking into my house.
Hello, is your refrigerator running?
What?
Go.
So sick.
Wow.